Placing props is easier than finding sand at the beach.
Yeah, but did you find my wallet?
Just select the prop, scale or rotate it however you like, and move it into position. If you want to set a prop's height, however, two more advanced options are available that involve what we refer to in Track Studio as pinning. Notice that if you raise a mountain, the trees raise with it. Yep, they're pinned. It's like the world is made of Velcro. The majority of props in Track Studio start out being pinned to the terrain. But what if you want to place an item pod in mid-air and make players jump for it? You could also put a sheep in mid-air and make players jump for it, if that's your kind of track. Anyway, most props can be unpinned by holding the triangle button and pressing the directional buttons up and down to set its height. There are a few props, such as boost pads, that you can't change their height and will always remain stuck to the ground. There are three surfaces that a prop will pin to: the road surface, the ground surface, or the water surface. As you move an object around, it will try and make the best decision as to what it should pin itself to. You can manually override the prop's choice by holding the triangle button and pressing the directional buttons right or left to toggle through the possibilities at that current location. Incidentally, holding the triangle button and pushing the directional buttons right or left is a handy way to jump a prop between overlapping regions. Say, for instance, if your road overlaps with an overpass, or if you want to switch from placing something inside a tunnel to on top of it. Another advanced feature in Prop Select is marquee selection, which lets you draw a marquee around several objects so that you can edit several props at once. In Prop Select, make sure you are not currently locked onto a prop and simply press and hold X and begin drawing out your marquee. When you have encircled the props you want, release X. Now you can select or delete all the objects in the marquee selection. This mode is really handy for duplicating several objects at once. Always keep in mind that L1 is your toggle between placing props and reselecting props in the world. You must always have the prop actually active if you want to scale, rotate, reposition, or adjust its height. Just being locked onto it in select props mode is not enough.
I think someone toggled you from commentator to has-been a while back.